I first sang this song half a century ago. When I was young and bubbly. My loving husband, who is now with the Lord, used to compose all love songs for me because I was young. Like Aha Nora Makazai, Captain, Nora Chabal Cham, Badam Pista, etc., etc., etc. This song was composed on 15th October 1963, but recorded in 1976. Mogal Bao Boinano. I जाऊन देवाक दिन वाचता ताका आर्गां दिता कित्याक ताणें आमकां हें टॅलंट दिलें म्हूण कांतार करपाचें आनी एक्टींग करपाचें आनी हें आमी बरे भाशेन केलें देवाक मानता तशें केलें आनी हांव तुमकांय भाव भयणां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कित्याक तुमी आमकां मोग दिलो आनी अप्रिसिएशन दिलें देखून तुमकां देव बरें करूं. I have one request to make to all my friends, fans, relatives across the globe. As we are in the middle of this pandemic, please keep social distance with everybody except God. Because God is in control. So don't be afraid. Just trust Him. He is faithful. So let your faith be bigger than your fears. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe. And God bless you all.
Our children solta fitty, fitty, fitty. Montat maka Bombaichi Birmoti. Tole maka mogacho da kachiri. Umpona kuta fodina miti. A song maka yeta chitu. Dunia moso koslo atu. Awate zotana mata rebasun poitad maka kondun. Poitos matare zata pisze Donu potața le porisoșe Rosențo tana pișteț matarașe Dole motat oșe, oșe, oșe Oto anima ca-ți poita Ideva patuca zata Borodista Amor godzasta Toi matara puta Rumba porre respedace Uitați malantle olea mestace Mai bașe n-au ranuza no gostace Sos moșatam un bonder festace Au casar zatau verisun Loromoso burgonoizun Lorona cacitun Casa za tot zamzot